Testing of Fuji Differential Pressure Transmitter. The transmitter has been set to the desired range of 1150 to 750 mm H2O. For testing, we add a 24-volt DC power supply, a multimeter in order to measure the milliamp output, some pressurized air power supply, and a water column. By manipulating the input signal, we see that the unit reacts accordingly. At 750 mm H2O, the output is 20 milliamp, and at 1150 mm H2O, the output is 4 milliamp. It is now clear that the differential pressure transmitter is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.